All right, let's dive into a crucial topic for any organization striving for longevity and success: ensuring your governance practices remain adaptable and relevant in today's whirlwind business environment. Are you feeling like your organization's governance is stuck in the past? Like trying to navigate a high-speed highway with an outdated map? If you're struggling to keep pace with rapid changes, you're not alone. But there's a solution, and it starts with understanding how to build adaptive governance. Hello, I'm Dr. Jason Talbot, a governance consultant dedicated to helping organizations build robust and future-proof governance frameworks. In today's dynamic landscape, static governance is a recipe for obsolescence. To thrive, you need a system that can evolve, adapt, and respond proactively to emerging challenges and opportunities. So, how exactly do you achieve that? Let's break it down into key actionable steps. 1. Embrace a culture of continuous review and improvement. Governance isn't a set-it-and-forget-it exercise. Schedule regular reviews of your governance framework, policies, and procedures. Implement feedback mechanisms to gather insights from stakeholders at all levels. Use these reviews to identify areas for improvement and implement necessary adjustments. 2. Foster agility and flexibility. Move away from rigid, bureaucratic structures towards more agile decision-making processes. Empower teams to make decisions within defined parameters, reducing reliance on lengthy approval chains. Consider using frameworks like rolling strategic plans that allow for quicker adjustments. 3. Prioritize risk intelligence and foresight. Invest in robust risk management systems that can identify and assess emerging threats and opportunities. Develop scenario planning capabilities to anticipate potential future scenarios and prepare accordingly. Stay informed about industry trends, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. 4. Promote stakeholder engagement and transparency. Actively engage with stakeholders to understand their evolving needs and expectations. Ensure transparency in governance processes and decision-making. Build trust and credibility by demonstrating a commitment to accountability. 5. Invest in board and leadership development. Equip your board and leadership team with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate complex challenges. Provide ongoing training on emerging governance trends, risk management, and strategic thinking. Encourage diverse perspectives and experiences within the board. Here's a bonus tip. Consider implementing a governance innovation lab. This dedicated space or team can focus on exploring new governance models, testing innovative approaches, and piloting new technologies. This allows your organization to test new governance ideas in a controlled environment. Implementing these strategies will empower your organization to build a governance framework that is not only robust, but also adaptable and relevant in the face of constant change. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more expert insights on governance best practices. I also offer in-depth digital courses and consulting services, so please check the links in the description below if you want to take your governance to the next level. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you build a stronger, more resilient organization.